Please, stay away from each other. Respect each other. If our parents or grandparents get this, and they have vulnerability, or they're not fit, they'll become a statistic. Be safe. Take care.
You will only have one chance at this. Stay at home.
Help us. Please stay at home. Please stay
And this is
at
our
home.
If you choose
This is your
to stay at
chance
home,
to do the right
you
thing.
will save lives. Please.
Shadows in the sky, footsteps in the night behind me. Targets in their sight, running out of light to save me. Red moon on the rise, you say your last good night, while I keep getting by. Wolves hiding nearby, whispering do or die around me. Not one single cry can save this soul of mine from drowning. Dripping from my eyes, seeing red tonight as I wait to say my last goodbye. Gripping at my skin, the walls of night closing around me. One last sleepless night until the other side can save me. Dripping from my eyes, seeing red too.